Well, I didn't exactly get out here early enough, so this should probably go poorly. We'll see. They are quite active at the moment. And I'm assuming these gloves will stop bee sting. The problem I have with this glove, I know this glove will stop them, but I don't have a lot of dexterity in it, so the increase of dropping something with this glove is quite high. Okay, the frame should be pretty easy to get to. All right, I'm gonna lift this off, guys. Okay. I didn't know there's a bunch of bees on the bottom of that. Excellent. Okay. So there they are. We're gonna try to get these guys transferred into this new one. Now on this one I can already tell, these slides are more or less fused together from honeycomb. So I probably need to get a scraping tool. Otherwise I'm just gonna infuriate. All right, so now we got a tool. Let's give this another go here. Break these bad boys apart. They look very healthy, so I guess that's the good sign, right? They're active early. Ooh. I hate when it pops like that. It just jostles them. I should be able to get that one with my fingers. Okay. Man, that's pretty incredible. I'm gonna show you guys how dense they are here. It's a dense, dense, dense hive. All right, I'll stick to this side because that seems like having the most luck over here. Just gonna give ourselves plenty of room here to work. Get this guy out a little bit. Man, this thing is so dense. One more, folks. Try to get it from oh, that's a bad grip. Got a bad grip. This is heavy. This is the heaviest one. Wow, that is incredible. Of course, the last one's the heaviest one, right? And it's on my glove. There we go. I'm going to let these guys hopefully kind of get the gist. They need to migrate over. Put this guy on top. There is a separating board, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this here because I'm going to put the sugar on it. Well, let me show you guys this first. Let me get a good shot up here. So we got a lot of people who still think that's their home. still swarming at the entrance over there, so give them a little time to realize that there's a new entrance in town. And then we're gonna go ahead and we got to get there. You're supposed to give them a little sugar water. I mean, honestly, out here they probably don't need it. There's plenty of stuff. But I'll show you that in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and get this. This is such a healthy hive. I'm just gonna give them free rein to go up into this guy rather than having any divider. So I've got that set. Here's our top board. Now we're going to put the sugar water on top. Just a little pin cushion of in the mason jar lid. Just real small holes so they can suckle on it. We've got our entrance at the bottom. Make sure our mason jar sits well up here. Got these nice globs of honeycomb. Put that by that entrance. And then we're going to put a little bit down this entrance. There we go. We got one that came out immediately. So that is the correct entrance. These guys are still freaking out because they're not quite sure. So I wonder if there's a way I can position that, because now they're having a meltdown. There we go. I think they'll figure it out. Maybe we'll take some of that honeycomb that's on top and put it at the entrance. Well, I guess both of those are an entrance, so. Why don't we do this? Here we go. I have an idea. All right. They're not very happy with me. Let's take this. And put it up there for now. That way all those lost souls hopefully find themselves in their new hole. There they are. I just saw two come out of the bottom. There we go. There's another one. They're figuring it out in real time. Oh, we just had one go in. All right, we're gonna let them figure that one out. I think they'll get it. We'll come back and check on them here in an hour or two once they start doing the math.